Victor built a channel teaching regular people how to buy their first rental property without getting wiped out. 4 years of deal breakdowns and honest math, and 500,000 people who trusted him with the biggest financial decision of their lives. So he built a paid investing course, sold through his own website. His students signed up, typed in their savings, their income, how much they could borrow, their card details, and paid. The analytics, the pixel, the replay tool, he never once thought about them. The letter came by email on an ordinary Tuesday, sitting between 2 closing updates. Dear Mr. Novak, our client enrolled on your website, and before they ever accepted your cookie banner, your site quietly sent their personal information to other companies. The letter called that unlawful wiretapping under a California privacy law. It listed what fired, a script that recorded every keystroke on your enrollment form, your checkout, advertising pixels that shared it all with Meta and Google before anyone agreed to anything. The damages, it said, are $5,000 per violation. To make it disappear, $49,500 within 21 days. Otherwise, a lawsuit. Victor was certain it was a shakedown. His course page was just a normal site, built like everyone's. So he ran a scan of his own website, and he watched it happen. The moment his enrollment page loaded, before a single person clicked accept, 17 trackers fired. One was recording every keystroke on his intake form. His students, typing their savings, their income, how much a bank would lend them, their card number, and a script quietly copying all of it to a server he had never heard of. That was the part that gutted him. These were people trusting him with the numbers behind the biggest bet of their lives, savings they had guarded for years. And his own website had been handing those numbers to strangers every day before anyone ever said yes. His lawyer was blunt. These letters do not have to win in court. Judges do not even agree they hold up. They only have to cost more to fight than to pay. That is the whole machine. They go out by the thousands. $49,500. That was nearly a down payment, the very thing he taught people to save. It was a year of careful work. It was a punch straight to the gut of everything he had built. But sitting there, Victor realized the fear had an answer. He could see exactly what his site sent and when, the same thing they had scanned. He did not have to guess or pay a lawyer $400 an hour to find out. He could face this, knowing what was true, and make his students' trust mean something again. Victor taught people to check every number twice before they signed. And the one number he never checked, running quietly on his own website, was the thing that nearly cost him everything. Right up until he finally looked. Don't let this be your story. Forensic Consent. See what your site sends before consent for free at ForensicConsent.com. Check the description for more information.